Hi everyone, we're going to sketch the region enclosed by the curve y equals sine of x and the three lines we have, and integrate with respect to x and also find the region, area of the region. So let's just look at, since we're going from pi to pi divided by 2, let's just look at this part. So I'm going to have pi divided by 2 here and pi. I'll put the 1 here and a 1 here. All right, so for sine, it's going to be like this. Just going to be the upper portion of this curve. And then at 1, it's going to hit, and I'm having a hard time hitting this 1, but so basically, here's your line, y equals 1. All right. Now, we also have it bounded by x, pi divided by 2. So it's right. That is this line and pi. So the area we're looking for is right in here. All right. If I do an approximating rectangle and find my change in y, what I'm really looking at is the upper boundary here for the green one. Now my green one's the upper boundary, so that one is this one. So that's going to be x. Kind of looks like that. If I put a little rectangle inside there. And my lower boundary is looking like this purple line. So that would be more like this. So you're going from top to bottom. So the purple one is this one. So you're going to do x minus sine of x. All right. Now let's go ahead and set up our integration. So our area equals the integral, and we're going from pi divided by 2 to pi. And then we're doing our upper minus our lower bounds here. So that's going to be x minus sine of x dx. Real quick, I'll fix this. All right, now let's go ahead and integrate this. This is going to equal pi x squared divided by 2, and then the antiderivative of negative sign is positive cosine of x, and we're evaluating this from pi divided by 2 to pi. All right, so this is going to give me pi squared divided by 2, and cosine of pi is negative 1, so it's going to be minus 1. Now let's input our pi divided by 2, and that's going to be minus pi squared, and then you're going to get a 4, and just multiply the 4 by 2, get 8, and then cosine of pi divided by 2 is 0. So this is going to simplify to you add these two together, or subtract them. If I make that 8, that's going to be 4 pi squared divided by 8 minus pi squared divided by 8. That's going to give me 3 pi squared divided by 8. And then this one's just minus 1. So your final answer is going to be, your area is 3 pi squared divided by 8 minus your 1 here. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.